Hello everyone, this is my first video on this channel, so I've changed everything into English. My Excel package is already in English, so hopefully that helps everyone to follow until the end. So without waiting any longer, let's start by unmerging this and start with this maxives of this, and this is equal to this. Hopefully everyone already has the case on his hand. That saves me on explaining the how the case works, or at least you have already watched the live battle. Uh, Otherwise you wouldn't understand anything I'm doing right now. Let's split this sequence length of this divided by 2, and of course, yep, and then count this like this, yep, and then copy everything down, and this is the answers to level 2. Level 3 is just determining the net price after discount, so in 3 steps: cost, discount, and net. The challenge is to determine the discount, since this first step is just the sum of x lookup of this in here. Yep, yep. For the discount, let's take this and then uh, let let A be this, and let's rectify this. So we could use it in a group by. So first we need to x lookup this in here. Yep. Sorry. C is just group by of B, count A. We don't need intervals, and let's see how C looks like. We're going to check this out, and then the next step is to check if everything is in the order like this. Choose calls of C1 exact match, and then E is just if T, then minimum of choose call of C2. Otherwise, give me 0, multiply by 2, and that's the answer of the formula. And then we could do this. So the answer to the level 3 is just x lookup of this from the first column and get the last column. And this is just sumifs of this last column, where the date is equal to this. So next, level 5. So the challenge with level 5 is how to handle the plurals. So how do we do that? We are going to do that. So first we're going to case BB, case GH, and isolate the number like this. And then if is 0 value left of this, then just give me this. Otherwise, let's A be text after this first space. And if A is equal to juice boxes, give me juice box. Otherwise, give me the left of then A minus 1. Yep. And then we are going to clean this up like the following way. After the first space, we're going to substitute twice to remove the dots and to remove n space, and then split this in 2 rows. Let this be A. So next step is going to be if your value left of A, give me one. C is just text after. Ooh, text after A for space. D is just X lookup of C in here, and let's add an S at the end, and then add an rockfish in an ephemeral C. And let's not forget if C is equal to juice boxes, give me juice box. Yep, 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 yep. So let's lock this and this. So next step is just E space T, and F is just concat of E, and let's display F. No, it's showing actually. So space. Yep. So this last step is just to get the results in a single line. But we're going to resplit it in here, and then some minus left of filter A is number search of this in A. Yep. And then compare this result with this number. Yep. And then copy. So filter actually needs a further argument here. Interesting. Oh, so minus all this and copy everything down. So the answer should be 61, which is the answer to the example 5. And then we can just Alt A, Alt AWT. And oops, that's level 5. Level 6 is actually easier if you get level 5 correctly. Um, let's just change this to here, and then let A be a split of this, and then B is ephemeral value left of A, and give me one. C just text after A first space, and D is just X lookup of C in here. Here. Yep. And E is just ripped off D, B, and F is just concat E. And let's display F. Interesting. Right. Yep. And that's the answers of level 6. So level 7 is the first step of level 7 is to determine which are the entry in this list. So let's first split everything up like this, and then let this be A filter A, where is number match A in here. 0. Yep. And those are the entry. And then we can just do a 2 row of everything here. Let's not miss anything, because that's dangerous. 0. 3, sorry. And then we could determine the games for each country. So how we will do that? So let's first move this here, and then columns for this plus this. Yep. and this is just this plus this. Yep. Interesting. What is this? Oh, okay. Yep. So, this is just X lookup of sequence of columns of this in here, and output this uh, extractor item. Yep. After that, we are going to determine when the order arrives. X lookup of this in here. It's a command to semicolon, and then start duration and end. Start for the first 20 orders. It's just the same as when the order arrives. Duration is X lookup of this in here. Yep. And it's just start plus this divided by 24, 60, 60. And now is the tricky part. We need 20 capacity. So sequence by 5 chef pots, 4 capacity each. Oops. And then C, yep. And then do a 2 row of this. And then let's now determine the next chef pot who is going to receive the 21st order. So uh, let's attribute every chef's the latest time he becomes available. I call of chefs lambda call index of this x match called in here. Yep. And then exact match from last to first. Yep. And then B is just filter chefs where A is equal to minimum of A. And then let's B. We just need the first one. And X1. Yep. And this is just the maximum of when the order arrives, and X lookup of this in here. Return array is this. Match mode is 0. And then this is just control R. Control R. Yep. So now it's just sequence of 20, and then maxifs of this, where this is equal to this. Interesting. Interesting. Why? Oh, why? Pose. Oh, so I've actually found the error. Yes. Hmm. This is fish. Yep. Yep. So this is just this minus this, and then round of this times 34 times that 0, and those should be the answers. Yep. And that's everything, everyone. Thanks for watching. Ciao.